This is where the gearbox has been sitting for the past 10 months, and we're starting with the input shaft and the input shaft bearing. So we're going to insert the bearing back into its place and perform some measurements. When installing the new bearing, the new or the old bearing, make sure that the race, this ring around the bearing, is placed towards the top of the shaft, which is this part. So the bearing will go like this. Since I do not have a press, hydraulic press, with a press it's much faster. To do this, I will be doing this with my bearing puller. I'll be placing the puller like so, and then using the shaft on the other side to pull the bearing towards its sitting place. So this is my special service tool. Get your bearing puller and use a wood chop to push the bearing into the input shaft. Now we have to place this ring on the top of the input shaft. This, if you notice any play, like so, you see it moving. If you notice any play, it may be an opportunity to go to the dealer and buy a thicker ring, because the manual says that you should install a ring that allows minimum axial play, and in this case I think I will go to the dealer and buy a thicker ring to put here. So never mind this step, I'll have to remove this and put in the new ring. So I can measure the thickness of the ring that I've got. So measuring the thickness of the ring that I have, it's 255, but the camera does not focus, so you'll have to take my word for it. And according to the manual, it's the D measure, which is well, it's not the thickest one, it's the one immediately under it, and I'll buy the thickest one, which is the E mark, according to the manual.